Hello all, I am Dr. Sai Vivek, a consultant medical oncologist at Sri Shankara Cancer Foundation, Bangalore. As a part of our ongoing Prostate Cancer Awareness Month, today I will be touching upon management of advanced prostate cancer. Now, what is advanced prostate cancer? Prostate cancer, which has started in the prostate gland and spread to other distant parts of the body, is defined as advanced prostate cancer. In advanced prostate cancer, we have multiple modalities of treatment. So the modalities are chemotherapy, novel hormonal agents, targeted therapy with the help of radiation to alleviate the pain. Okay. Now that we know what advanced prostate cancer is, we will be touching upon the different modalities of treatment for advanced prostate cancer. To name them, chemotherapy, novel hormonal therapy, targeted therapy, and immunotherapy form the basis of treatment for advanced prostate cancer. Coming to chemotherapy, chemotherapy is nothing but a chemical given in the glucose through an IV line. Now, this particular chemical will get inside the body and it will destroy all the rapidly growing cells in the body, and along with that, some of the normal cells in the body which are rapidly growing also get destroyed as a collateral damage, and this is responsible for the side effects. And this particular fact that it causes side effects scares away a lot of patients from approaching the doctor for management of advanced prostate cancer. Now, we all have to remember that prostate cancer is a cancer of the elderly, where most of the patients who come to us are above the age of 60-65. So the chemotherapy which we give is designed to soothe them with minimal side effects and maximum effects, and with the available monitoring parameters, chemotherapy can be safely administered at any age with very minimal side effects and getting the maximum response out of the cancer cells. Coming to targeted therapy, it is a kind of therapy where a particular drug is designed to hit a particular target on the cancer cell with minimum collateral damage to the normal cells, unlike chemotherapy. This particular therapy, when used in a setting, can cause significant improvement in the patient's quality of life and prolong his lifespan. Immunotherapy, on the other hand, is a kind of therapy where we give a medicine which will enhance the body's immunity to fight the cancer cells rather than fighting the cancer cells itself. Then radiation can be used in between all these therapies to alleviate the pain and make sure patient is able to do his daily activities with minimal support from the family. With all these modalities of treatment, especially in prostate cancer, a significant improvement in quality of life and the quantity of life can be delivered to the patient without any fear. Thank you.